Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you so much for joining me for another video tutorial. I think I've been away for a couple of videos. I have not posted in a few days. We've just had a lot going on and trying to catch up, so I am back on track today and very excited to show you a new bundle out of the new annual catalog. And some of you, I'm sure, have already seen projects with this or even used it, but it is just one of my favorite ones. And I have my favorite card that we made at Super Saturday last weekend, and I want to share that with you. This is the Sweet Songbirds bundle. I will post information, all the supplies, everything you need to know on my blog, linked below. So please click subscribe on my blog as well as my YouTube videos so you don't miss out on future videos. All right, let's get going. We are going to use, this is just a very sweet and simple card. We're using one of our basic white note cards and matching envelopes. I love these because they're already cut. I don't have to cut it. Anything I don't have to cut is good. Okay, so we're also using some of our new in colors. These are our new in colors. Aren't they gorgeous? We have Starry Sky, Parakeet Party, Orchid Oasis, Tahitian Tide, that's the color we're using today, and then Sweet Sorbet. I think these two are my favorite, Parakeet Party and Tahitian Tide. Now I'm a pink and red person, so I do like this. I mean, I love them all, but I love these two especially. Okay, then we're also using our new in color glimmer paper, and they come in 6x6 sheets. I think you get like four of each sheet in the pack, so you get quite a bit. They're a light ombre. Aren't those beautiful? I love these. I can see those happening a lot at Christmas time. Okay, so anyway, back to our card. I've just got a strip that's 5 inches by, gosh, that's only a ½ an inch wide. And it's the flower on one side and kind of the stripe, but I have them going this way. So we are going to adhere this. Make sure, right on the left edge of our card. So I'm trying to avoid any white showing. I want it right on the tip. Okay, I've got a little extra, so let's just trim off that bit we don't want. Okay, now I have a 1/4 inch strip of the glimmer paper, and I'm gonna just stick a little bit of glue on here, right on the edge, and I'm going to butt this piece up right next to it. I'm not covering the seam, I'm just gonna butt it up. Isn't that cute? It just blends right in, but it's got like glimmer on it. Who doesn't want glimmer? Okay, now I have a piece of the coordinating pattern. It's polka dots on one side and like this fun plaid on the other. We're gonna take the punch. I'm just gonna punch out a whole one of these. Okay. So it punches out 4 pieces. I am going to take this little bitty wing. This is kind of the little, the belly of the bird, but we're just going to leave him polka dot. And we don't need a beak for this one. I'm going to take his wing and flip it upside down so I have the plaid showing. So he's going to be polka dot body with a little plaid wing. And I've got just a dimensional on there, but I don't want to put it on until we stamp some eyes on him. I've got his eyes right here. There's 2 sets of eyes that come in this stamp set. We've got the little circle eyes and then like little sleeping eyes. All right, and I did pre-punch a little beak out of Mango Medley. I always get those confused. Okay, I'm going to put just a tad bit of glue right there and stick his beak on. Sometimes it's easier for me to put the glue right there, just a little bit, and then add the beak. Okay, now we can pop up his wing. I think it's just such a fun little whimsical, funky bird. Okay, now let's decide. I'm going to give this bird some long legs, but first we're going to stamp our sentiment. I'm going to do a little bird told me, and I'm going to stamp this kind of up here in this top left corner. All right, and then we have some music notes because birds talk in music. I'm going to put these right here. All right, and let's do the inside. On the inside, I've got a little birdie told me, you've got something to celebrate. Isn't that cute? I'm going to add some music notes to that one too. Because why not? Right? Why not? Let's add some music notes to our envelope too. Yay! I hardly ever decorate my envelopes, but I just feel like it today. All right. So next, we're going to put our bird. Now he needs some feet, and there are 2 sets of feet in the stamp set, but I am not going to do 2 sets of feet. I'm going to give him some fun, long, skinny legs. So I'm going to, let's see. I'm using just a straight edge. I'm using a ruler. You can use, whatever you have. Just going to draw a couple lines with my black Stampin' Write marker. This is the only marker you can buy individually of our Stampin' Write markers. So I just did a little U on the bottom of his legs to give him some feet. And then we're going to pop up his body on those long skinny legs. I mean, how easy was that to do? We're just going to put a couple mini dimensionals on him. Oh, we don't want to cover up our things. Oh my gosh, isn't that cute? I love that. And how quick and easy was that? What a sweet little birthday card to give to someone, or it could even be for a baby shower or something like that. I don't think I folded my card very straight, but that's okay. It's handmade, right? So I hope you enjoyed it. Super quick and easy card to do using this Sweet Songbirds bundle. And if you come back on Saturday, I've got another card to show you using the same bundle. A little more, it takes a little more time. We do a little more stamping, but such a cute set. All right. Thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure to click subscribe below so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you soon. All right. Bye, everybody.